guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, today unfortunately I have the painful duty of announcing that we have lost one of our dear friends in Santa Domenica Talao, Pasquale Maulino. Pasquale was always a fixture in Santa Domenica Talao. Every time I drive through the village, he'd be there waving, and every time I walked with Gigi, he would just sort of fall in and walk with me, and we would chit chat a little bit. And I got so used to seeing him there that it's really not going to be the same without him. I have a little story to tell you about what kind of a person he was. When several years ago, I had lost my Chihuahua Little, and I was devastated. And one day, our other friend Maurelio, who also has sadly passed, another wonderful person, saw me in the bar, and there was a little Chihuahua in there, and it looked like Little. And I grabbed it, and I was just loving on it so much. Oh, I just wish I had another Chihuahua like Little, And Maurelio said, "You need another dog?" And I said, "Yeah, but it has to be a Chihuahua because it has to be small." And he said, "I'm going to find you one." And I'm like, okay. And I didn't think any more about it. But then, months later, he came to me and he said, "Here's your Chihuahua." And it was he gave me a milk crate, and inside was Gigi. Now, we all thought Gigi was a Chihuahua, but she's not. And she grew and grew and grew. But we loved her the more every single day. I later found out that Pasquale had given Gigi to Maurelio to give to me because Maurelio went and told him how I had un buco nel cuore, a hole in my heart the size of a little Chihuahua, and he needed to fill it up. So they did. And they gave us Gigi. And Gigi, despite not being a Chihuahua, has been the best gift we've ever gotten from anybody, I have to say. She's been a joy. And every time I walked with Gigi in the piazza, Pasquale would look down and he would laugh a little bit because she's big. And he would talk about her, he'd pet her and greet her. And we would fall together and just walk a little bit. So I don't know how to tell you how we feel about when you go to the village and somebody that really should be there is not there anymore. And that's how we feel. Our hearts go out to his family and all his friends, and indeed the entire village who feels the loss very, very keenly. So, Pasquale, ci vediamo un giorno. I hope you are with your loved ones, and we will look for you. See you soon, guys.